How's it going, everyone? And welcome to another episode of me documenting my trading journey. So today is April 14th, and for news, we had PPI that came in lower than forecasted, but still an increase. So, um, still supporting my bias of bearish indices. The only thing is that core PPI came in the same, so we're not really seeing an increase in core PPI or CPI. So that just means we have to be a little bit more cautious on shorts for indices, but other than that, still bullish dollar and bearish on indices. So let's go into the charts. So for dollar, so we did break this high last month, and right now we're at the first line. We are starting to see a micro distro or a micro accumulation. The only thing is that for how long we accumulated in this whole area, it hasn't really spent a lot of time here, but I will look at this tomorrow to see if we maybe build a schematic because this is a type 1. Right on the 50, so let's see. I do like this. I may have a limit there, but I'd rather see a schematic here. See what we do tomorrow. If it builds a micro here, then I'm definitely going to take it to the upside. At least take out these Asian highs. And then it's pretty much the same on Euro, except for a little bit past. So dollar's definitely leading. I was looking at this yesterday. I wanted to see if it could break this reaccumulation to see if we could take anything here, but just kept going higher. So let's see. I mean, it's the same price action on Euro, so let's if it can. So same thing. We'll see if by tomorrow it builds a schematic up here. Build something up here to take lower. And then if not, then kind of just wait. I don't think I don't really want to be on this low of a time frame yet. I want to see if it can build something throughout this week, just so there's a little bit more volume and um, orders being filled. But yeah, I'll probably, if it builds something here tomorrow, and yeah. GU is the same thing, except it's not as clean. So nothing there for me. We did accumulate here. I'm not really, because of what dollar's doing, even though we're technically bullish, with looking at the technicals, I'm just gonna base it off dollar. So if we can build something up here while dollar's accumulating, then I'm gonna take it to the downside. And then NU, so we did break that. So because we didn't make a new low, this for me is weakness, just because I'm still bearish on these pairs since everything is based off the dollar. So this is weakness for me, so I'm not gonna have like a limit up here, but if it does build something, then I'm gonna look to take it. Let's see AU. So AU is right at. So we did have this higher time frame distribution on AU, and then so it is right at this level. Hasn't really built anything yet, so if they can build something here, definitely gonna try and take it. We had this trade on April 1st. I was looking at something here, but just never gave the weakness. I think I talked about it on the video I did it with going over the 6th. Yeah, probably. Alright, I definitely went over it. There was just no weakness on NU, so there's no reason to take this. But let's see. So we did reaccumulate. Yeah, there's still nothing here, so if we can start to build something, probably take it to galore. And then USD CAD. If it can go up here, actually, there's nothing I want to do with USD CAD. And then we'll go to indices. So indices is just, I think might have a situation where SPX is going to be the laggard, where NAS and US 30, or mostly US 30, because US 30 isn't as high, but it'll probably be a trade based off US 30 by the time SPX, I think, is going to make a new high. I was looking for something this morning just to take as a continuation move, but it just never came down. And then same thing for NAS. Yeah. So we'll see if we can build something. If not, then I want to take continuation moves higher. It's gonna be small risk, but and then if SPX makes a new high, then I'm just gonna base it off NAS and US 30. But we are in an area to short. It just hasn't given reason to short yet. It hasn't built a schematic. We could be in phase B right now. This could be phase A. Maybe see you tomorrow or Thursday. But yeah, that's it for the pairs today. That's what I'm going to be looking for this rest of this week. And if you have any questions, let me know. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.